Meaning of fall pipe.
Fall pipe.
Fall pipe.
Fall pipe.
Fall pipe. A fall pipe is a vertical pipe that is used to carry rainwater from the roof of a building to the ground or a drainage system. It is typically made of metal, PVC, or concrete and is installed along the exterior wall of a building. The fall pipe helps prevent water damage to the building by directing water away from the foundation and basement. It also helps to manage the flow of water in a controlled manner, reducing the risk of flooding or erosion. Overall, a fall pipe is an essential component of any building's rainwater management system.